Hi children, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about water. Let's learn. Here, the contents are water for my family, uses of water, sources of water, water cycle, stages of water, saving of water. Here we will learn about water. Water is precious. All living things need water to live. Water plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Children, do you know 60% to 70% our body weight is water. It is essential for the existence of all plants and animals. Here we will learn uses of water. Children, do you know which work we use water? Here is it. We use water for different purposes of our daily life. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, watering plants, building houses, and water transport. These are some pictures. Here you see water and its uses. You observe these pictures in which work we use water in our daily life. Children, here we will discuss about the sources of water. Understand? Water is a gift of nature. Here you see, rain is the main source of water. Rain fills up ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. We get natural water from seas and oceans. Water is also found from underground. The natural water we get from seas, oceans, rains, etc. The underground water we get from wells, hand pumps, tubewells. These are some source of water which man-made. We get water from taps and tankers. These are some pictures of sources of water. You observe this. We get water from this type of sources. Understand? Here we will discuss water for plants. Plants need water like us. They make their food in the presence of sunlight, air and water. Some plants like lotus, water lily, hydrilla grow in water. They float in water. Have you seen water plants? So you observe your surroundings, the water plants. These are some pictures of water plants. Here we will discuss about water for animals. There are some animals which live in water. So here you see all animals need water to survive. They need water for drink and bath. Different types of fish, whales, dolphins, seals, seahorse, etc. live in water. So we will see here the animals which live in water. So we will learn more animals from this chart. Here we will learn how do fish breathe in water. Fish is a water animal. So how fish live in water? Fish breathe in water with the help of gills. Here you see red color. This is the gill of fish. Fish in water opens and closes its mouth frequently. Here you see. As the mouth opens, water enters and flows into the gills. Fish absorb the air dissolved in water. Understand? Here we will learn about water cycle. It is a big process. And have you ever thought, how do we get rain? Let us learn how the rain is formed. When the sun shines, it hits the water in ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, etc. This water changes into water vapor. The changing of water into a gas is called evaporation. Understand? So water vapor rises into the air. It cools and forms small water droplets. These water droplets form clouds. Inside the clouds, the small drops of water join and form bigger water droplets. The changes of water vapor into water droplets is called condensation. The big drops of water become so heavy that the clouds cannot hold them, and then these water drops fall as rain and we get rainfall. This process is called precipitation. So this is the picture of water cycle. Here it is given, the rainwater then fill all the ponds, lakes, rivers. Again water gets heated up by the sun and water vapor is formed, and then clouds are formed. These clouds bring rain and fill lakes, ponds, rivers, etc. This is called water cycle. So here we will learn water changes its forms. So children, so water has three forms. There are three states of water: solid, liquid and gas. Solid means ice. Solid means ice, and liquid means water, and gas means water vapor. Solid form is ice, liquid here it is again given. So these three forms can change from one to another. Children, do you know how ice is formed? Ice is formed when water freezes. When we keep water in the deep freeze, then it forms into ice. And when the ice is heated, it becomes liquid or water. And how gas is formed? When water heated, it changes into gas or steam. And this steam or gas is called water vapor. Understand? So here we will learn saving of water. How can we save water? Water is precious, already we know about this. So we have to save water. Children, do you know our earth made up of 75% of water and 25% of ground? So from 70% of water, only 2% water is usable. The rest all is salty water of ocean and seas. So you imagine very less part water we can use of whole world. Understand? So it is very important to save water. All the living things will die if there is no water. We should not waste water while bathing, washing hands, clothes and utensils. So we should get leaking taps fixed as soon as possible. We should follow the reuse of water. Understand? So children, we have to follow save water, save earth. Understand? So I have completed this lesson. In my next video, I will come with the worksheet of this chapter. Thank you children.